Okay, so we started off with our pumpkin cake mix and then 1 can of our Dr. Pepper cream soda in our 13 by 9. And we're just mixing these two together to create the most delicious soda cake. So the best part about soda cakes is that you don't need oil, you don't need eggs, you don't need water. All you need is your box of cake mix and 1 can of soda. And I am using the Dr. Pepper cream soda because I am obsessed with Dr. Pepper, but you could use a ginger ale, you could use a regular cream soda, a root beer, but I really think that these flavors are gonna go so well together. And of course it is pumpkin spice season, so we have to make a delicious pumpkin cake for the season. All right. This is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for about 40 minutes. All right, our cake is cooling down. I'm gonna bring in a big bowl and a large 16-ounce container of Cool Whip. I did let this completely thaw, so we're gonna use that whole entire 16 ounces. You can also make your own homemade whipped cream or homemade frosting if that's your style. And in our Cool Whip, we're just gonna add a small box of our instant vanilla pudding just to add some delicious flavor. You could also do the cheesecake pudding, you could do the chocolate pudding, butterscotch, whatever you like. But I just wanna keep it simple. I don't wanna take away from that Dr. Pepper or that pumpkin flavor. So we're just mixing in, we're just folding that pudding mixture right into our Cool Whip. Okay, this looks beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Our pumpkin soda cake. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells like fall in our house. So we're gonna go ahead and put this entire thing of Cool Whip pudding mixture right on top of our cake. Oh my gosh, this would be great with a cream cheese frosting too, which is super easy to make, but I just want to keep it super simple today. Get as much as we can on there, and it's time to spread it out. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. Okay, that looks absolutely beautiful. Now, just to add some prettiness, I'm gonna grab some caramel sauce and we are just gonna do a drizzle. This is completely optional. I just feel like it's gonna make it extra pretty. Do another line right here. And then I'm gonna grab my knife and we are just gonna run through that caramel. Beautiful. All right, it is time to cut a slice. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. It looks delicious, all the fun fall flavors. I think I should have let the cake cool a little bit longer, but you know what? I can't wait any more. Time to give it a try. Oh my goodness. Those flavors are incredible, you guys.